Hi, folks. I'm going to walk you through a brief course overview here. A couple things I want to point out that'll be helpful for you. One thing that I want to point out at the beginning, you'll notice this top folder here. This houses the syllabus, the course calendar, the grading, and the course policies. So that's a lot of important information for you there. Clicking on the syllabus, that'll let you know all the course policies. Also, the course calendar with all of our due dates and all of our assignments is there. I actually broke it out by itself, so it's a little easier for you to find there. This is important. Take a look at that, the required textbook for class, and it walks you through Blackboard as well. So there's a video that I posted as well about the required textbook. So you want to make sure you have that and are ready to use that, because we will use that the first week here. This is the rubric that we'll use for all of our major essays. This is the rubric we'll use for everything else. Here's some guidelines for our discussions, and here's some general netiquette guidelines for online learning. The second folder, writing, research, workshop, revision resources. This first one here, when you click there, it opens up a resource that I think will be really helpful for you throughout the semester. It's got all of your major essay assignments. It's got your how to research guide, all the major skills that we're focusing on. It breaks out, integrating evidence into your argument, MLA format resources. This is a great resource to have as you're writing and researching and revising throughout the semester. So I'll keep that in mind as we go along. Another one that's really helpful, your online class readings. If you want to review text that we've read and you don't want to try to search for which week it was in, click there, and that links to all the texts that we've read. And they're broken down by our 3 modules here. So you've got Module 1, this I believe text, our Module 2, rhetorical analysis of an advertisement text, and our Module 3, researched argument text. And lastly, you'll see a link there, possible topics for the researched argument. That'll be helpful for your third and final essay. This water cooler here, this is a discussion board. This is just for a place for students to ask questions of each other, to share tips with each other, and to just generally anything you can help each other out with about general questions or misunderstandings. That's a good place to talk there. This welcome to the course folder. If you're brand new to Blackboard or brand new to Blackboard Ultra, you may want to take a look at this. There's a lot of videos and instructional guides that show you how to submit assignments and things like that. So if you need help, take a look there. That'll help you through the very basics of Blackboard. Okay, speaking of which, so we've got 16 weeks this semester, and we've got 3 modules. All of our assignments for the entire semester are going to be due on Wednesday and Sunday nights before midnight. And so if you miss a deadline on a regular assignment, not a major essay, then you've got 48 hours to turn it in for reduced credit. So for example, if you've got a Wednesday assignment that you missed for whatever reason, you have 48 hours, so you have until Friday at midnight, if it's a Wednesday assignment, to turn that in for partial credit. But do know that after 48 hours, those assignments do disappear, so that's your window of time to still earn some credit. And after those assignments disappear, it's not possible to earn credit on them anymore. But each week is set up like this. You'll have just a general overview. You'll have kind of the week overview, and there'll be a video that will walk you through that as well. You can see any other additional resources, videos, things that are going to be helpful for the week are going to be in this main area. So this week it's a lot of, here's the information about your required textbook. Here's the introduction to me. Here's introduction to our class tutor. Here's the video you're watching right now. Here's our essay, here's Purdue, here's the skills, metacognition, and our syllabus quiz that you'll need for the week. So you want to pay close attention to those documents that appear there. And then you've got your assignments folder. So for each week, you're going to have your assignments that are due here, and you'll complete the assignments there. You want to make sure you always complete those assignments in a Word document and then upload that Word document. 2 things there. one, it'll only allow me to view Microsoft Word documents. And secondly, that allows you to keep your work. You have a document of your work that can be helpful moving forward. And if there's any sort of issue with Wi-Fi or Blackboard, you've still got your work saved. So make sure you're doing that and using Microsoft Word and uploading that. You have free access to Microsoft Word as a BCTC student also. So you can see your assignments are here. You see your, you can kind of see the deadlines here. So you've got your, these deadlines. These are your Wednesday assignments. These ones here. Then you've got your Sunday night assignments that are due here. So for each week, they're going to be set up that way. And so, folks, that's kind of it, just as for the general structure of the class and some tips to move around it. If you, if you have questions of your classmates, that water cooler is a good way to collaborate and discuss things. If you need to reach me, the best way is to send me an email, and I'll always be back in touch with you within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. And if you send an email over the weekend, I may not be able to get back with you till Monday. But let me know how I can help. If there's ever a situation where you have a question where we need to go over something and an email really isn't enough information to cover it, let me know and we can schedule a time to meet virtually. Thank you.